Sit down, please. So, Ashok Kumar, tell us something about yourself.
Good morning, sir. I am M. Ashok Kumar. I am from Tenkasi. I did my schooling in Tenkasi and I am pursuing my BE degree in mechanical engineering at Ramco Institute of Technology, Rajapalayam. I am now in third year. I have done projects in all the 3 years during the National Science Day in our college, and I have studied software related to my subject like AutoCAD, Creo in my laboratories, and I have good leadership qualities in which I have led my team in the project, and currently we are doing project in Excel remover, and I have presented 2 papers in the National Science Day and 1 paper in Kumaraguru College.
What is the topic? What was the topic presented in Kumaraguru?
It was my project and I presented my topic there.
What was
the project?
Excel remover.
So Ashok Kumar, are you nervous?
No sir, I am not.
So don't you take this interview as serious one?
Sir, I am serious but not I am nervous.
What is your career objective? What is your career objective?
Sir, my career objective is to become an effective engineer to work for the company. And
what is the career objective you have given in your resume?
sir, to work as an effective engineer, to use my leadership qualities and technical knowledge to achieve the goals of the company.
What have you done in the past 1 year to improve your technical knowledge?
So I have learned softwares like AutoCAD and Creo, which is used in designing, and for leadership quality, I have led my team in project exhibition.
So you have done project on coconut husk more, right?
Yes sir.
Tell about your project.
So it's a project used to remove the husk from the coconut, in which we have used 2 rollers which will rotate in opposite direction, and the rollers will have pointed corners. The corners will tear the husk of the coconut, and a handle will hold the coconut from outside. So during the rotation, the husk will be removed, sir.
What are the difficulties you have faced? Which means in your team members level, in communicating with the team members.
So in communicating, we didn't face any difficulties, but in doing project, we have some difficulties like it was more weight and consumed more power, so it was tough for us.
You noted the area of interest is advanced manufacturing.
Yes sir.
What is the advanced technology in manufacturing?
So recently I went through that. It was inventing that switchless headlights. It was from my side. It was a recent technology, and for manufacturing there is a ultrasonic machining, in which the tool piece and the work piece will not in contact. Without contact, it will machining.
What's your contribution?
You continue to ask the question.
What's your contribution regarding your area of interest?
So I have searched in online for some of the recent technologies, and I read some news about this.
Did you complete any courses in advanced manufacturing?
No sir, I am studying unconventional machining. Other than that, I didn't have any online courses.
Could you explain the mechanism used in Excel remover?
Sir, it is our mini project. In that we have one vibrating table and a Cooper. The egg will fall from the Cooper, and the vibrating table will have some zigzag positions, and it is made up of stainless steel. When the vibration is given by vibration is given by a simple slider can mechanism. While we rotate the slider can, the table will vibrate and the egg will fall, and due to the vibration, the egg will break, and the broken egg will be taken out, and we have put a roller, and in the roller the egg will be rotated and the shell will be removed and the egg will be removed. We have also supplied water throughout the system for unbreaking the inside egg.
So what kind of position do you want to be work for in a company?
Sir, this position will be where I can put all my effort.
What kind of?
all my knowledge.
So, what kind of knowledge do you have in what kind of field?
So I have given that the technical knowledge and leadership qualities. I need a position where I can give my whole potential to work for the position.
What would be your dream job, Ashok Kumar?
Sir, my dream job, I want to become an entrepreneur. For that I have to earn some income, some input. For that I have to work.
So, once you get your knowledge, you leave a company and become an entrepreneur.
So not like that. I will become an entrepreneur one day, but I will do my job correctly.
Do you know SolidWorks?
Sir,
Do you know SolidWorks?
it's the basics I know SolidWorks. I am working on that.
Have you created any design in the design software? You have given many software designing softwares here.
Yes.
Have you created any designs in this software?
Sir, for all the project we team members only created the design, sir.
What is your contribution in your team?
So I led the team and I designed the.
Okay, you want to become an entrepreneur.
Yes, sir.
When will you become an entrepreneur?
So when the time came, I will become an entrepreneur.
What is your guess? In how many years will you become an entrepreneur?
Sir, in my plan, I will become an entrepreneur in nearly 20 to 30 years, sir.
20 to 30.
Yes, sir. For that, I will work in this.
What if at the time of you becoming an entrepreneur, we ask you to stay back?
Sir,
What if at the time of you becoming an entrepreneur, we ask you to stay back? Will you stay back?
sorry, if the company satisfies me more than an entrepreneur, I will stay in this company.
One last question for the back.
Do you know Kannada?
Yes, I stayed in Chennai for till my 6th standard. In my primary school, Kannada is a compulsory language, and I know Kannada and I read and write.
Your career objective is an effective engineer, to work as an effective engineer.
Yes, sir.
But your hobby is an entrepreneur. How it is interlinked?
So entrepreneur could be an engineer also, only, sir.
No, you just specified that your engineering knowledge and leadership qualities to apply to an organization.
So it's a career objective for this position. The leadership quality will also help us to become an entrepreneur also.
The bank will give one situation. The bank will give the loan for enough money for you to start the business. I have a job. What will you choose?
So I will choose this job first because as a fresher I don't have any exposure towards the company. First I will choose a job and I will become an entrepreneur.
Shall I take it this way that you are trying to use this job for your personal growth and benefit? You want to use us, you want to leave us. Is that so?
So I need to improve my knowledge by
You get your knowledge from our company and you want to leave our company. Is that so?
So I am not telling leaving.
You'll stay.
I will stay and acquire knowledge.
And after 20 years, you will leave.
So not I am telling leaving.
No, you told you will leave.
So I will become an entrepreneur, but not in a near time.
That is why I said even after 20 years, we want someone who will work till retirement.
So I became tie-up with your company also, sir.
And we should accept for the tie-up, right? So it almost seems like we have to take a calculated risk of employing you, knowing pretty well in advance you will leave us. But anyway, 20 years is a big time. So will you stay with us for 20 years?
Yes, sir. Since your company is in Bangalore, I know also Kannada. I can stay in your company, sir.
Can you introduce yourself in Kannada?
Yes, sir.
Introduce.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಶೋಕ್ ಕುಮಾರ್. Sir, I'm not in touch.
Fine. Hey, thank you, Ashok Kumar. Thank you.